Hi, Forex traders, is your boy Emmanuel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're coming across this channel, kudos to you, congratulations to you. You're in the right place. Here we talked about many pairs. We break down many pairs with simple strategy, which is a swing trading strategy. So, guys, I'm a professional swing trader with you guys. Some of you who know me on Twitter, Instagram, and the rest will be aware of that. I'm a swing trader right from day one. So I believe Forex is an investment vehicle where you invest and wait for returns in the long term. So I think long term, I believe that long term is the best way to trade Forex. That's why most of the traders that are unprofitable out there, most of them are day traders. So guys, day trading won't keep you. There's one thing with day trading. Day trading won't keep you in the game for long. You understand? You can learn how to day trade, but as time goes on, as markets changes, you start seeing that your strategy doesn't work. You start seeing that since you are doing before, since you are good in before, doesn't work for you again. Most day traders who are watching this video would understand what I mean by that. But in swing trading, your confirmations are solid, and it's hard for the market to change. Guys, we're talking about the monthly time frame. We're talking about analyzing the monthly time frame, analyzing the weekly time frame, analyzing the daily time frame. These time frames are very solid. Any confirmation you get on these time frames, there is 99% that your confirmation is correct. You understand? That's why I choose swing trading over day trading. So if you're just joining this channel, be ready to turn. If you're a day trader and you're just joining this channel, be ready to switch to swing trading. If you're a beginner, if you're a struggling trader out there, this is the best channel for you. This is where you're going to learn how to trade properly. No indicators, no order block and ICT. I don't know what you guys call it, but there's nothing like that here. I trade with one of the most simplest strategy and basic things in Forex. Nothing is complicated. So guys, stick to this channel. If you're just joining us, hit the subscribe button so you get notified anytime I post a video here. So guys, I'll be switching to the chart. So what we'll be talking about today is Euro USD, GBP USD, and I think gold too. So if you're just joining us, stick to the channel. Let's switch to the chart. So this is a monthly time frame. I want to show you guys. This is GBP USD first of all. This is the GBP USD chart, and this is how it looks on the monthly time frame. Just checking if my mic is recording. So guys, this is a monthly time frame on GBP USD. You can see my support and resistance. My chart looks very simple, not too complicated, except from this analysis I did recently. My chart looks very clean. Let me zoom out so you can see very clearly. This is just how my chart looks, and I trade with just something like this. There's nothing complicated. So what's happening on GBP USD? Let's just go straight into it. So currently, GBP USD just is reversing. If from what I can see here, this is a market reversal. Why did I say it's a market reversal? This trend line have been broken, and there's something like how many, this is not a double bottom, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, almost markets have been rejecting this support level for a very long time now, for almost since I think 2015. Markets have been rejecting this support level. Came, it bounce up, it came, it bounce up, it came, it bounce up, till it came here and break this trend line and retested it. So guys, if I should say, GBPSD is currently bullish. GBPSD is currently bullish. Let's go to the weekly time frame. So you guys can see that as we go from monthly to weekly time frame, everything start becoming more clear. You understand? You start seeing all the thing more clearly. You understand? But then on the monthly time frame, most of these candles here, most of these plenty candles you see here, maybe are being occupied with maybe 2 or 3 4 candles. You understand? But when you come to the weekly time frame, you start seeing many candles. The same way you come to the um daily time frame, you see many candles. You come to the 4 hour time frame, you see many candles. Let us talk about the 15 minutes and the 30 minutes. There are a lot of candles there, but the higher you go, the lesser the candles become, the more clearer the chart becomes. So guys, you can see where this GBPSD retested this trend line. I actually trade this setup from this to up here. I posted it on my Twitter. I posted the trade on my Twitter handle. If you go check my Twitter handle, there's a link on this channel up on my bio. You see a link to my Twitter handle. You see where I posted my my profits on this trade and how I entered and how I exited the trade. So currently GBP was obeying this resistance level here, this yellow bar. Let me zoom in very well for you guys. Let me zoom in. This yellow bar here, it was, we were expecting it before, but I think last week it broke off. So it shows, it signifies that the market still want to go higher. And the next destination for GBP should be 1.43713. That's what I feel, and that is what my analysis is telling me, that GBPSG is going to come to 1.42465. So let's go to the daily time frame. Let's know what's happening. Let's know if we can see a possible setup to trade GBPSG to 1.42464. Let's come to the guys. I want you guys to understand. I've said this. I always say this. I don't execute on the monthly time frame. I don't execute on the weekly time frame. I don't execute on the daily time frame. I execute on the 4 hour, but I go to the monthly time frame to know the direction of the market. As you guys can see, we started analyzing from the monthly time frame. We saw that the market is bullish. We saw how the market has been rejecting a support level since 215. We saw a trend line that has been broken. I do call it historical trend line, and historical trend line that was broken, that signified that markets want to go up. You understand? So we are now in the weekly time frame. I'm still showing you guys what I'm seeing on the weekly time frame. The recent resistance level the market just broke. So I don't know if you guys are understanding me. I'm using the monthly and weekly time frame to analyze, to know the direction. You understand? So let's go to the daily time frame. We're on the daily time frame. Okay, I think when I took this trade, let me remove this. Let me remove this. When I traded this setup from year to year. Like I think I executed the trade around here, then I hold it from year to year. It took about, I think, 3 months. It took 3 months to get here. I hold the trade for like 3 months. See, there's one thing about swing trading. The market works for you. You understand? The market works for you. All you just need to do is get your analysis right, execute, and close your laptop. Understand? The market works for you. I make the market work for me. I'm not always on my screen. I only come, I watch what's happening, I execute, and I close my laptop. And maybe I come back in a month. I will be checking it maybe at the end of every week. I come back, maybe the trade may last a month, 2 months, 3 months, sometimes 6 months. I just I've made my money already, no stress. You understand? So if you can get and learn my swing strategy, everything is going to change for you. Trust me, everything is going to change for you, because since I've been using this strategy, like this was the first strategy I set my hands on right from when I started trading forex until this day. I haven't traded any strategy. So guys, this is one of the, as you guys can see, it's very simple. Nothing is just trend line, support and resistance, and understand the price action, understand the structure of the market. That's all. So like I was saying, I traded this from year to year. As at from, I took this trade, I think, the ending of January, then exited around January, February, March, maybe I exited around that kind, April. Yes, I think middle of April I took this trade, and I made a, I think I made 12% return on investment with just this one trade. I made 12% return. Guys, no day trader makes 12% return on a trade. It's not easy. But in a trade, while using my trade and swing trading strategy, I trade and get 12% return on investment. So that's mad. That's mad. That's mad. So what's happening on GBPSD? How can me and you trade GBPSD again? Because I think when I took this trade, I haven't created my YouTube channel then. So how can we now trade GBPSD again? So currently, this is a resistance. according to my strategy and according to how I trade. If a resistance have been broken, you need to wait for a retest before entering the market again. So currently, this resistance here, this yellow bar has been broken. So we need a retest to enter this market again. We need something like something like this. We need something like this to this blue bar. To this blue bar. We need something like this to this blue bar. So my entry will be around here. My entry will be around here. Then I hold till here. So guys, one thing about swing trading, you need to be patient. You need to be patient enough to hold your trade. This may take us like, if this trade should retest and we enter this trade, this should take us like 2 months or maybe 3 months. So you just need to be patient. So GBPUSD, we need to wait for a retest. We need to wait for this a retest to this level 1.35263. We need to wait for a retest to this level, then we execute here, then hold till this place. That is a huge amount of pips. This should be up to 500 pips if I'm not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken, this is 835 pips, guys. This is huge. This is a big movement. Like I can't wait. I can't wait. This is a very huge movement. Like 840, 804, 847 pips on one trade. 840. That's crazy. 847 pips on one trade. 847 pips. Am I correct? Am I correct? Am I correct? I don't know. This 800 have been 3,000. 847 pips. 847 pips. So guys, some more. I can't wait for this retest. Like, boom, bang this. I think if I should trade this setup, if this setup should go my way, I think I'll be done for the year because I'm on USDC chief trade currently. Took a trade on USDCHF, and I think that trade should give me about that kind maybe 6 to 8% return on investment. That should be 20% return on investment, and this trade can give me 15 or 20% in return on investment. Guys, I don't go for much. I feel as if I should get 40% return on investment on one on my account. That's okay for me for the year. I don't chase too much. So one thing in trading, you should not be greedy. You should be satisfied with what you have. You should be, anything the market gives to you, you should be okay with it. You understand? So this is what we are expecting for um GBP We need a retest, then we execute here and hold it here. So guys, this is what we have for GBP So guys, I don't want this video to be lengthy. On our next video, we'll be talking about other pairs. Let me show, but before I go, I'll show you guys my USD CHF trade. Show you guys my USD CHF trade. Guys, network is bad here. Network is bad here. Our network is bad here. So guys, on my next YouTube video, we'll be analyzing Euro USD and we'll also be analyzing gold. You understand? But for now, GBP USD, we are waiting for a retest on that support level. Then we execute. So my Telegram link to my Telegram channel is on the description below. You can join my Telegram channel. There, we can also go live and trade this setup. So you can only get the notification of my Zoom call on my Telegram channel. I always post the link there. So click the link below, join my Telegram channel so you won't miss out. If this trade should go our way, I'm going to be executing it live with everyone in my Telegram channel. So don't miss that. Join my Telegram channel. You understand? Okay. Network allows us finally allows us to check this straight out. Network can be very frustrating around this side. This is USD CHF. Let me just give you guys a tip of it. Let me give you guys. See, this, the trade is already going my way, and I'm waiting for the trade to come down below here. So this is about, this is about 8% return on investment. How many pips? 413 pips. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. So let me just show you guys small. Show you guys. Let's go for the monthly time frame. As you guys can see, my chart is always simple. Everything is simple. Like I like keeping it clean. Like you can see how clean it is. You can see the trend line. You can see the support and resistance. You can see the double top. This is why I took that USD share to trade. This double top, guys. The law of price action states that once you see a double top, signifies market reversal. That market is about to reverse. You understand? Once you see a double bottom, it's also signifies that market want to reverse. When you see a head and shoulder, it signifies that market want to reverse. Once you see an inverse head and shoulder, this pattern signifies market reversal. So once I spot this double top here, I was like, yes, this trade is going to go below, and I waited for this neckline to be broken. So let me come to the daily time frame, show you guys. Not only did I wait for the neckline to be broken, I wait for the market to retest the neckline. You guys can see it. It retested this neckline and I executed, and the market is currently going my way. Like market is currently going my way. Let me come down to the 4 hour. So guys, I executed this trade on the 4 hour. Like I always say, network should allow us come to the 4 hours. Please. Guys, I don't know why network is bad today. I don't know why, but I think you guys already got me. I think you guys already understand me. You can rewatch this video, go back to your GBPUSD chart, check it, analyze, use the analysis I did here to analyze yours and know where the market is going. Market is bullish. GBPUSD is bullish. Wait for a retest and execute. So thank you for joining me, guys. On the next YouTube video, we'll be talking about other pairs, talking about, I also analyze stocks. There's one thing with my swing strategy. The strategy allows me to analyze any pair, both stocks, indices, crypto, Forex, and if you should learn how to use this strategy properly, you're also going to be doing magic with it, because I think this is magic because I'm playing magic with them. So thank you for joining me, guys. See you guys. Peace out.